Hello and welcome. Today we're going to walk you through the process of changing your Perkins engine air filter safely and effectively. Before we begin, please take note of the following notices. Before we get started, here's a list of everything you'll need. Make sure you have all of these items on hand before you start. Before diving into the step-by-step instructions, let's review two types of air filter bodies that your engine might use. Now, let's get into the step-by-step instructions. Make sure to follow along with each step and don't hesitate to pause the video if you need a moment to catch up. Isolate the engine from the batteries by disconnecting the leads from the battery. Ensure the outer body of the air cleaner to be serviced is clean and free from dirt. Release clips or wing nuts and remove the cover from the air cleaner body. Clean the end cover if necessary and ensure the vacuum valve is clean and free from dirt. Check the vacuum valve for wear or damage and replace if necessary. Remove the primary air filter element and secondary air filter element if applicable. Discard all air filter elements in accordance to your local regulation. Ensure the inside of the filter housing is clean and free from dirt. Inspect all new air filter elements for tears or holes in the filter material. Inspect the gasket or seal of the air cleaner for damage before installation. Do not fit damaged parts. Install the new secondary air filter element, if applicable, and the primary air filter element, ensuring they are both fully seated. Install the end cover onto the air cleaner body and secure the cover clips or wing nuts. If necessary, reset the air filter service indicator. These are the two most common types of service indicators. View your operation and maintenance manual for more information. Restore the battery connection. And there you have it. By now you should be well equipped to replace your Perkins engine air filter element safely and effectively. Remember to always consult your engine specific manual for detailed installation instructions and specifications.